Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alltoscan token. Now this token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now on their webpage. They've already raised 990,413 BUSD, so basically almost a million American dollars they've raised using BUSD stablecoin on their webpage ats.altoscan.com. They have a full white paper on there. They have tons of information on here. I found this token listed here on coincodex.com. If you go over to CoinCodex, you can find a link to their webpage, white paper, block explorer, which is their BSC scan, Telegram, Twitter, Medium articles, email, all sorts of stuff. Launched in 2022 by a group of blockchain enthusiasts, Alltoscan has since established itself as one of the best multi-chain blockchain explorer platforms. Alltoscan and the ATS token are the ideal combination to make this vision a reality. So this token, we're going to go over the information on it and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is split up like this. 90% goes to the investors, 5% central exchange, liquidity, and 5% team. Pretty straightforward there. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a max total supply of 100 million tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. They already have 47,700 Twitter followers. You can see there's a full link tree on their Twitter there. You can find it at Alltoscan on Twitter. 284 tweets. So tons of info on their webpage, but right at the very top, you can find a white paper 2.0. So they've already updated their white paper. But there is a pre-sale thing. You can't miss it. It says 1 ATS token equals 16 cents. So you can buy it. It says login, how to buy. But basically, you're going to buy this token using either BNB, BUSD, or USDT. And it shows you how much ATS tokens you will get for the conversion when you go on there. If you're having troubles, there is contact info on there. info@altoscan.com. You could email them if you like. But yeah, it's real straightforward. How to buy, login, all that stuff's on their page there. ats.altoscan.com is their webpage. It says digital currency built for the new global financial system. Alltoscan ecosystem creates a decentralized marketplace for the Web3 infrastructure revolving entirely around the ATS token. So their pre-sale started July 17th. So, you know, this is in one of the later phases right now of their pre-sale. There's still another phase and maybe more after. It says the next price phase is going to be 17 cents. So right now they're on 16 cents and they're only 2.32% done this stage of the pre-sale. So there's still a lot of time to go check this out before it even reaches the next phase. Now, it says they have 9+ total supported chains. Decentralization, the next breakthrough in Web3 is a complete transition to decentralized infrastructure, and Alltoscan is delivering that future by creating a decentralized infrastructure ecosystem and marketplace fueled by the ATS token. Potential. Whether you're an Alltoscan user, developer, or staker, ATS facilitates all operations. This helps us deliver a Web3 native experience and community-driven products. Alltoscan, the ATS token, this ecosystem creates a decentralized marketplace for the Web3 infrastructure revolving entirely around the ATS token. So it's a utility token basically for the whole platform. The focus, keeping in mind Alltoscan has a clear call to provide the necessary API infrastructure to make Web3 development easy and efficient. ATS doesn't do politics. We do ecosystems. Community, utility, charity, ATS token has it all on a mission to become the world's most known cryptocurrency, trusted by global leaders like Optimism, Unstoppable Domains, Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Anchor, etc. Tons of partners on here. Arbitrum, like I said, 9 chains supported already. They have some Web3 partners, chains partners. They go through how it works. So number 1, start the process, register an account on the web page. Number 2, go to the dashboard and copy the wallet address in the deposit address section. Number 3, select BEP20 from the app that you will use to send crypto to the address you copied. Number 4, send USDT, BNB, or BUSD. Once the amount is in your account, go back to the main page and buy ATS from the ICO widget. So then they have frequently asked questions like, what is ATS? How can I buy the ATS token? What is Alltoscan? What are the ATS token details? When is the claim? Let's check out that here. When is the claim period? It says the claim period will start a number of days after the conclusion of the presale. The specific date and time of the claim, as well as the launch details, will be announced on our website and official social media platforms in due course. How do I claim the tokens? Claiming will be live on the ATS website. So that's where you'll be able to go to claim the tokens using the same wallet you used to contribute. ATS is a BEP20 token on the BNB network. So at the very bottom of their page, they have tons of socials. They have Medium, so you can read Medium articles. They have their Twitter, the Telegram, contact information. So they also have resources like support, explore, blogs, ecosystem, community, and then they go through all their supported chains and the contact email, all that type of stuff is on there. And if you want to learn way more information, go check out their white paper 2.0, which is listed at the very top of their webpage. Like I said, you can also find this token listed on CoinCodex. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Check out my Facebook in the description box down there. Follow that. And if you want to help support the channel, you could always support on Patreon or by hitting the join button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.